Hello Learnitology viewers. Today's video is on how to use Quick Analysis feature in MS Excel. Come, let's understand. If you have any sort of reports like a weekly report and want to do a quick analysis of it, first just select the data. You'll find an auto pop-up of Quick Analysis option. Next, click on the Quick Analysis button to explore multiple useful features like color formatting, insert a statistic chart, or even you can put a quick total of values or find average values. If a clustered chart is to be inserted, just click on it to enable the Quick Analysis feature. I hope you find this video useful. Please try this at your end. If you liked using this feature, please hit the thumbs up and post a comment.